Hello and welcome to another Royal Maths video. Today we will be discussing the remainder theorem. Okay, so the problem that we have today is, without dividing in full, determine the remainder of the following equation. The equation we have is x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4, all divided by x minus 2. Now the solution is the function of 2 is equal to 8. Now I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide in order to get from here to over here. Okay, so the first step is to replace x minus 2 with f of x. So x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4 over x to the x minus 2 becomes the same equation on top, but the below changes from x minus 2 to the function of x. Now the rule needs to be applied where x plus or minus a is equal to the function of a. So this means x minus 2 will become the function of 2. And then all you need to do is just move this to the left hand side, which so the function of 2 is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4. So step 3 is to apply function of the function of 2 within the right hand side. So we need to replace all of these x variables with the number 2. As you can see here, so the function of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 times by 2 to the power of 3, where have we got here? So minus 2 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 3, which is over here, times by 2 squared minus 4. So once we've replaced all of the x values with a 2, the next step will be just to simplify without the use of a calculator. Now it's important to do without a calculator, because if you did try to input this, the calculator will get confused with the order for which these equations should be completed. Now I will show you. So first of all, we make sure everything in the brackets, so everything to the power of, is first simplified. So 2 to the power of 4 becomes 16, 2 to the power of 3 becomes 8, and 2 squared is obviously 4. Now we have done that, we can further simplify by carrying out 16, which is over here, minus 2 times by 8, which is 16. So 16 minus 16 over here, and then plus 3 times by 4, which is 12 here, minus the 4 at the end. So 16 minus 16 plus 12 minus 4. Now then we just simply minus and add this together. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So then all we have is 12 minus 4, which is 8. So the function of 2 is equal to 8. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts. Have a good day. Thank you.